Hi there, just thought I'd show you some of the youngsters. We're all split off now and all the youngsters are weaned. These are the older ones. They're just starting to colour up now on the shoulders, getting a bit patchy. They've been on the colour food for about a month. A few greens, all buffs. I've only got about 6 or 7. A few of the older ones and all. Quite like the out of here. Tucking into a bit of soft food. These are the last 2 to be weaned. They're from pair 5, and pair 5's the lightly variegated male that I did a lot of winning with pre-COVID. So let's hope his sons and his grandchildren can take after him. Hasn't been a bad year. Started off poorly, finished poorly, but in between I managed to breed over 60. So hopefully there'll be a few of them hit the show bench later in the year if we have any shows. Bit luck we will. Some of the last round. Got a long way to go. Eventually all these young birds will be singled off. I'll cut them down to 24 and then again down to 20, and then that'll be me breeding and show team for next year. Okay, right, until next time, take care and see you later. Bye.